In the vast open waters of Earth's oceans, a silent predator lurks just beneath the surface. Ancient, efficient, and misunderstood, sharks have been the apex hunters of the sea for over 400 million years. But despite their evolutionary perfection, their interactions with humans have always carried an air of mystery and fear. And when sharks attack and why global encounters, we journey across continents and coastlines to uncover the truth behind these terrifying, yet often misunderstood confrontations. Every year, dozens of shark encounters are reported around the globe. From the crystal-clear beaches of Hawaii to the turbulent surf of Australia, from the quiet shores of South Carolina to the paradisiacal waters of the South Pacific. These attacks seem random, but are they? We begin in Hawaii, where a chilling pattern has emerged. Every October, the number of shark attacks mysteriously doubles. Marine biologists call it Sharktober, and it has become one of the most intensively studied phenomena in shark behavior. Scientists hypothesize the changes in ocean temperature, the seasonal migration of prey, and even lunar cycles may influence shark movement and feeding aggression. In Oahu's North Shore, drone footage reveals tiger sharks patrolling near surface waters just meters from unsuspecting surfers. What drives these normally elusive creatures closer to shore? Could it be overfishing, pollution, or a change in the underwater food web? Next, we dive to the coasts of Western Australia, where one of the world's most mysterious shark attacks occurred. A group of recreational divers is suddenly ambushed by an unidentified predator. One survivor describes a violent tug underwater, the chilling silence that followed, and the sense of helplessness. Experts review sonar logs, cross-reference marine species, and eventually identify a suspect. The elusive oceanic white tip, a shark known for its bold, opportunistic nature. Unlike reef sharks or nurse sharks, the oceanic white tip is built for the open sea and thrives where food is scarce. Its sudden aggression raises questions. Is this a sign of shrinking oceanic resources? As we shift our lens to the eastern seaboard of the United States, a new pattern emerges. In South Carolina, 5 shark attacks have been recorded over just 2 summers. Locals are terrified, tourists leave in waves. But the culprit is not what they expect. It isn't the infamous great white or bull shark, but the blacktip, a smaller, faster predator that has adapted well to the warm shallows. Tracking data shows blacktips migrating earlier and closer to shore, likely due to rising ocean temperatures. The result? More interaction with swimmers and surfers, more bites, and more fear. Here, climate change isn't just a theory, it's a force shifting the very boundaries between predator and prey. Yet perhaps the most unsettling chapter takes us to New Caledonia. A series of deadly attacks rocks this tranquil Pacific paradise. The victims are experienced swimmers, lifeguards, and even seasoned divers. The fear spreads like a contagion, disrupting local tourism and daily life. What is happening beneath these calm waters? Through interviews with marine researchers and survivors, we learn about the bull shark, one of the few species that thrives in both salt and fresh water. It moves silently between lagoons, river mouths, and reef breaks. Unlike other species, the bull shark exhibits territorial behavior and responds aggressively to perceived threats. As human activity increases along the coastlines, construction, noise, runoff, these sharks may be acting in self-defense, not predation. Each of these global encounters paints a vivid picture. Shark attacks are not mindless acts of violence, but complex interactions shaped by biology, environment, and increasingly human influence. From changing ocean temperatures to habitat loss, from the stress of overcrowded ecosystems to the collapse of natural prey populations, Sharks are adapting to a rapidly shifting world. And sometimes that adaptation brings them into direct contact with us. But not all stories end in tragedy. Around the world, scientists, conservationists, and local communities are working to understand and mitigate shark attacks. Using underwater acoustic tracking, drone surveillance, and AI-based predictive modeling, they are building systems to detect shark presence in real time and alert swimmers. In some areas, non-lethal deterrents like electric fields and magnetic barriers are being deployed to reduce encounters without harming marine life. When sharks attack and why is not just a tale of fear. It is a global call to rethink our relationship with the ocean and its oldest predators. The sharks are not monsters. They are mirrors, reflecting the changes we've brought upon the planet. And as we look into those deep, unblinking eyes, we must ask ourselves, can we coexist with the wild, or will we remain its victims? But there is more to these encounters than meets the eye. In the crystal lagoons of New Caledonia, a string of lethal shark attacks disrupts the peace of an island paradise. Tourists vanish in shallow waters, locals whisper of spirits awakened, but science points elsewhere. An aggressive species, territorial and reactive to sudden influxes of swimmers. Surveillance drones capture ghostly silhouettes circling beneath paddleboards, always watching, always calculating. Back in Hawaii, researchers piece together the October surge, the mysterious spike in shark incidents each year. It's not superstition. Ocean temperatures rise slightly, and female tiger sharks come closer to shore to give birth. The beaches become nurseries and danger zones. Swimmers unknowingly wade into nature's maternity ward, and mothers protect their young with tooth and instinct. Further south, in New South Wales, a predator strikes with military precision. Scientists track a single-row great white using satellite tags. This shark doesn't follow the usual migratory pattern. It shadows jet skis, trails boats, and disappears at will. Its behavior challenges everything we thought we knew. Why here? Why now? These aren't just random attacks. They are patterns, clues, a glimpse into a world where survival and instinct reign. The oceans aren't hostile, but they are ancient, untamed, and often misunderstood. In this episode, we connect the dots. From Florida's shallow estuaries to Polynesia's deep drop-offs, we decode the environmental, biological, and human triggers behind these shocking encounters. The truth is complex, often hidden beneath waves, but it's there, waiting to be revealed. Because when sharks attack, there's always a reason.